Imagine living in a home without central heating or air conditioning, and your windows? Just small wooden frames to keep out the wind. But now picture a mansion with floor-to-ceiling glass walls, heated floors, and rooms that adapt to your needs. Today, we're going from old-fashioned basics to jaw-dropping luxury. In this video, we're looking at what makes today's luxury houses so high-tech and comfortable compared to homes from the past. Stick around to discover just how far we've come, from hand-built cottages to fully automated mansions. If you're into exploring fascinating upgrades like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel or check out our other videos. Back then, houses were simple because they had to be. Builders used basic materials and focused on just keeping out the cold, rain, and pests. But today, people expect comfort, convenience, and cutting-edge technology. So how exactly did we go from homes that barely shielded us from the weather to spaces that cater to our every need? Let's take a closer look. 1. Building materials. In the past, homes were often built from locally sourced materials. Wooden beams and planks were used for structures, while stone or clay might serve as walls. These materials were strong, but came with limitations. For example, wooden houses required constant maintenance to avoid rot and insect damage, while stone houses were costly and labor-intensive to build. Insulation was virtually non-existent, making temperature regulation a challenge. During winter, families huddled around a single fireplace to stay warm, while summer nights were uncomfortable with little to no ventilation. Fast forward to today, and the landscape of home building has changed dramatically. Modern construction incorporates advanced materials designed for durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. For instance, high-performance insulation materials are now standard, ensuring that homes remain cool in the summer and warm in the winter without relying heavily on heating or cooling systems. Innovations like insulated concrete forms and structural insulated panels are being used to create energy-efficient homes that also resist extreme weather conditions. Modern luxury homes often feature sustainable materials, such as bamboo or recycled steel, that reflect a growing awareness of environmental issues. This shift not only benefits the environment, but also enhances the quality of living spaces. 2. Architecture and design. Old houses often adhered to practical designs. Think of classic Victorian or colonial homes with small rooms and low ceilings, designed to conserve heat. Rooms were often separated to maintain warmth, creating a layout that encouraged privacy but limited social interaction. Decor was minimal, with functional furniture that lacked the flair of modern design. Today's architecture is a testament to creativity and innovation. Open floor plans have become a hallmark of modern luxury, promoting a sense of spaciousness and connectivity. Imagine walking into a grand foyer that flows seamlessly into the living room, dining area, and kitchen, all bathed in natural light from large windows. High ceilings often feature intricate designs or even exposed beams, adding to the aesthetic appeal. Luxury homes now boast custom designs that cater to the homeowner's personal style. From sleek, minimalist designs to elaborate Mediterranean villas, there's something for everyone. Plus, architectural trends now incorporate outdoor spaces as extensions of the home, with patios, balconies, and gardens designed for entertaining and relaxation. This connection with nature has transformed how we view our living spaces, making homes feel more like sanctuaries. 3. Interior features and furnishings. In the past, furnishings were often handmade, practical, and built to last. Families invested in solid wood tables and chairs, but those pieces didn't usually reflect personal style or trends. Heating was achieved through wood-burning stoves or fireplaces, which meant the kitchen was often the heart of the home, but not always the most comfortable space. Fast forward to the present, and the interior design landscape has exploded with options. Today, luxury homes are furnished with high-end, custom-designed pieces that reflect the owner's tastes. Imagine a kitchen with granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and state-of-the-art appliances, far from the simple wood stove of yesterday. Moreover, modern homes often include smart features that integrate technology into the design. Think about a kitchen that can tell you when your groceries are running low, or a living room that adjusts lighting and temperature based on your preferences. These advancements make day-to-day living more comfortable and enjoyable. Additionally, home decor has evolved from functional to fashionable. Homeowners now curate their spaces with art, textiles, and colors that express their personalities. Open shelving allows for showcasing decorative items, while integrated storage solutions keep spaces tidy. Fourth, technology and automation. Back in the day, homes were equipped with basic necessities, and daily tasks required physical effort. Lighting came from candles or oil lamps, and if you wanted to stay warm, you had to chop wood for the stove. There were no vacuum cleaners, so sweeping the floors was a chore, and there certainly weren't any smart devices to make life easier. Today, technology has transformed how we live. Luxury homes are now equipped with smart home systems that can control everything from lighting and climate to security and entertainment. Imagine walking into your home and having the lights turn on, the temperature adjust to your liking, and your favorite music playing, all with a simple voice command or tap on your smartphone. Home security systems have also advanced significantly. Modern luxury homes can feature facial recognition technology, remote monitoring, and smart locks that you can control from anywhere. You can even receive alerts on your phone if someone approaches your front door, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or away. Furthermore, appliances have become smarter. Refrigerators can now track expiration dates, ovens can be preheated remotely, and washing machines can be programmed to run at specific times. This automation streamlines household chores, allowing families to focus more on enjoying their time together rather than getting bogged down by everyday tasks. 5. Sustainability and energy efficiency. Older homes often lacked any serious consideration for energy efficiency. Heating methods were outdated, and many houses leaked air, resulting in high energy costs. As a result, families relied on coal or firewood, which was not only expensive but also harmful to the environment. Modern luxury homes are designed with sustainability in mind. They often include solar panels that generate electricity, rainwater harvesting systems for irrigation, and energy-efficient appliances that use less power. Many luxury homes also utilize smart technology to monitor and reduce energy consumption. 6. Outdoor spaces and landscaping. In the past, outdoor spaces were simple and often practical. A garden might have been planted to grow vegetables, and backyards were primarily for kids to play. The idea of landscaping was more about utility than aesthetics. Today, outdoor spaces have become a key element of luxury living. Many modern homes boast beautifully designed yards, complete with outdoor kitchens, pools, and relaxing seating areas. Landscaping can include native plants that require less water, elaborate patios for entertaining, and even outdoor fire pits for cozy evenings. Homeowners now see their yards as extensions of their living spaces. Outdoor dining areas allow for family gatherings and parties, while lush gardens can provide a peaceful retreat. Some homes even feature complete outdoor living rooms, complete with furniture, lighting, and entertainment systems. This trend reflects a larger societal shift toward valuing outdoor experiences and creating spaces that enhance our well-being. With the right design, a backyard can feel like a luxurious vacation spot, offering both relaxation and enjoyment right at home. From basic shelters to automated mansions, today's luxury homes represent the peak of comfort, convenience, and sustainability. The journey from those older, modest homes to today's modern marvels shows just how much our expectations and capabilities have grown. Where early homes met simple needs, today's luxury spaces go above and beyond, catering to every aspect of modern life with style and sophistication. If you enjoyed this look into how houses have changed over time, make sure to subscribe for more fascinating insights or watch our next video.